So I've got the 4 1x4s, one in each corner. Got them just wedged in. They're not screwed in or anything. Just to kind of give it a test. That already made a huge difference in getting this thing more squared up and stable. I like it, actually. It works pretty good. And I think for these corners, and especially getting up in that little bit of piece up here, this wood slides right in it. I think that'll make it more secure. That way we can get these 1x's all the way up from the ceiling down to this lip here, and it lines up almost perfectly. And with these metal pieces, I was thinking about pulling them out. I think I'm gonna go ahead and leave them in. I'll probably come back in once I get this thing squared up and weld it. Just give it a little more stability. So you weren't able to see my amazing tape measuring skills. But I just did 16 inches, found the center. We're gonna need 6 studs at 16 inches apart. So let's go cut them. I got my boards cut. Let's slap these babies in. Cool. I like it. I think that is the way to go. These 2x's are a perfect fit. Nice and secure. Makes it real sturdy. And then hopefully I'll be able to get the panel that I'm going to use on the outside up under there and flush. So I think it's going to work out pretty good. So I really like how this setup has turned out. Test successful. So now I need to go get some parts. I don't have any of these here. I'm going to get some little brackets to attach the aluminum base to the 2x's right here, and then up top I'll probably just directly bolt it into this roof here to the cap. So probably first of 1,000 trips I'm going to make to Lowe's. So yeah, road trip.